Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Depot and we are giving you a tour of the longest bus in Jamaica. That white bus you're looking at the bottom of the screen, that's an articulated bus and it is the longest bus in Jamaica. Now it operates out of the Spanish Town Depot and with persons seated it can hold between 50 and 60 people. But the total capacity, which would include people standing and sitting, that bus can hold between 120 and 140 passengers, depending on the model. The bus is a Volvo. It's a Volvo bus. Now, Jamaica or the JUTC has been bringing in CNG buses. They have over 100 in the fleet and another 80 coming. But these articulated buses, they came in the 1980s and some are still in service because of the number of persons they can carry in one trip. They are still used on the busy routes. And most of those routes involve Spanish Town. So they operate out of this depot. The CNG buses operate out of the Portmore depot because as of today, the Portmore depot is the only depot that can fuel the CNG buses, but they plan to put in a CNG fuel station at this depot, but they just haven't done it yet. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this bus. Jamaica's public transportation system plays a vital role in connecting its urban and rural populations, and at the heart of this system is the Jamaica Urban Transit Company. Among the many buses in its fleet, the longest and most impressive are the articulated or bendy buses, mechanical giants that symbolize modern large-scale public transport in the island's busiest regions. These articulated buses are the longest passenger buses in Jamaica, stretching approximately 18 meters or 60 feet in length. Unlike standard buses, which typically measure about 12 meters, these buses consist of two sections connected by a pivoting joint, allowing them to bend around corners and navigate through Jamaica's sometimes narrow and congested streets. This unique design enables them to carry more passengers efficiently, particularly on routes with high commuter demand. Imported mainly from Europe and Latin America, models such as the Volvo B12M were first introduced into the JUTC fleet in the mid-2000s. Their arrival marked a significant investment in improving public transportation in the Kingston Metropolitan Region (KMTR), which includes key areas like Portmore, Spanish Town, and Halfway Tree. On average, one of these buses can comfortably transport up to 140 passengers at a time, a mix of seated and standing commuters, making them ideal for Jamaica's bustling urban centers. Functionally, these buses are used on high traffic routes such as the Portmore Express, downtown Kingston to Halfway Tree, and Spanish Town corridors. These routes are among the busiest in the country, serving thousands of commuters daily, many of whom rely on public transit for school, work, or business. The deployment of the articulated buses on these routes helps reduce the number of smaller vehicles on the road, easing congestion and contributing to more efficient travel. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.